Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark, Blue Screws Reviews, back again with another video. Today, I'm be reviewing some Bluetooth audio glasses from a company called Lucid Loud. Alright? But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend. And once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. So subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe. Tell another friend to subscribe. Tell that friend to tell somebody to subscribe. That way we get there, we heard and get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, and we can have a party, do some giveaways. All right, subscribe right there, easy, free. Don't take no work. All right. Now let's get to the video. All right. This is your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews, back again another video. My tech and gadgets. Alright, we got new gadgets on here. Fresh out of the mail. Alright, this is the Lucid Loud Bluetooth sunglasses, audio glasses, Bluetooth 5.0 dynamic sound. Kind of like those Bose Bluetooth glasses with the speakers in them. So here's the box. Let's see, it says compatible with most phones, smartwatches, and computers. And you can get these on Amazon. I think regular prices, let me double check. I want to say regular price was $59, but they were on sale. I mean, regular price is $99.99, but I called them on sale, so they were there. At the time of the video, they're $59.99, so I got a good big discount. So I got them at the right time. So they're like, they get 38% off, 39%, whatever the percent off. But I'll leave a link in the description box where you can find them. But okay, let's see. This is the side, upgrade your eyewear. This is nice little presentation, nice little box. Got the little emblems on here, and on the back, bring this up closer where you can see it. You can pause this, read it for yourself. And it's the colorway is the Mars extra large sunburst lenses, so like a reddish lens, but it's like 5 hours playback, 2 hours to fully charge, long life, lithium ion battery. Bring this up closer so you can see it. Touch controls, control your phone with a tap, answer phone calls, use voice assistant and adjust volume. Polarized prescription lenses or prescription lenses, but these are not prescription lenses in here, but they polarized lenses, outfitted with polarized UV 400 mirror lenses. Oh, there he goes. Prescription adaptable, so you can get these. You can get prescription lenses put in here if you need to. All right, Bluetooth 5.0, strong connection with most devices. Range 49 feet. 49-foot range before you hear any dropouts. All right. And then contents in here, you got the Lucid Loud audio glasses, cleaning cloth, folding case, and manual and charging cables and nose pads. All right. I'm not sure what all this stuff is. Just tell you where it's made from and all that good stuff. So yeah, tell you the color, red frame. All right. All right. Enough talking. Let's get these bad boys out of the box. Let's get our Rainbow Bright out on deck. Unbox tonight. Go ahead and get this plastic off. Come on, Rainbow Bright. Cut it up. Alright. Get all this plastic. Alright. Let's see how these bad boys come out the box. So I can get them out. So I'm guessing. Alright. Oh, okay. Okay, different. I'm trying to slide it out. You see, I'm trying to slide out. Okay. Let's open the bad boy up. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. See what you got. Okay. Let's take out the box first. Let's take out the accessories. All right. Let's see what kind of accessories we got in here before we get the glasses out. Alright, empty these accessories out. Nothing else in the box. Nothing else in the box. Toss that box to the side. Alright. Looks like we got a charge cord. That's a unique looking charge cord. Okay, I guess these will go in the end of the glasses. Well, we're going to put that down to the side so we can get these glasses out. Let's see here. What's all in here? let's see here. So this is like books and all that kind of stuff. Okay, it's like a test to see. Okay, got a little mirror or whatever, piece of paper. You got your microfiber cloth right here. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. We got a instruction booklet, and I'm guessing this right here should be nose guards. Yep, and I think yep, nose guards. Put in your nose. You know how you wear glasses sometimes, how you don't have those nose guards in the middle, and it rubs the top of the bridge of your nose, and it kind of sometimes it chafes it. It's red. It's like it's hot. So I guess these right here are for that to kind of to protect you from that. So I'm gonna put these back in here because you get 2 pair replacing nose guards. So I'm gonna put them to the side right now. And here's a little case. Okay, it's pretty cool. So fold it out. Bam. Like so. Okay. Pretty nice. Got the Lucid branding on there. Upgrade your eyewear. Pretty simple. Alright, let's get these glasses out. 6 minutes into the video, ain't got the glasses out. Alright, now we got the glasses out. Here we go. The star of the show. Bam. Bam. See my ring light? Bam. Okay. Pretty cool. I would say these are dark red, reddish, maybe. I guess you would say it's a Mars color, like a little orange, dark red, bloody orange. But man, these look pretty nice. All right. As you can see, they got the little branding, little logo right here, and you can see on the this is the right arm. You have the up and down for volume, and you can see the little speaker grill right here, little contacts right here. I'm not sure what that is. So that's so you can touch it on both. You can control the volume independently on both sides. Okay. And you got the Lucid Loud. I don't know if you can see that. Bringing it up closer, you can see it. You got the Lucid Loud logo on here. Come on, focus. There you go. Live Loud right there. Alright, and you got on here you got upgrade your eyewear on there. It said imagine in Miami or whatever. I guess it's trying to say imagine being in Miami or whatever. Okay, alright, it's got a little rubber, like little rubber tips right here on the end. Alright, and this is when I was telling you about the nose guards. This is where you would put the nose guards. If you need it, I'm probably not gonna need them, but this is where you would put your nose guards right here. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and make sure these bad boys are charged up, and then come back and tell you more about them. All right. Hold tight. Man, matter of fact, these are matched with my new mask that I did a video on. I'm gonna leave that a link to that video down here in the description box. But I'm gonna also leave a link down in the description box where you can get these bad boys. All right. Let me go ahead and charge these bad boys up and come back and tell you more about them. All right. Hold tight. All right. Here's what the Lucid Loud sunglasses look like. I know you're probably saying, why you got the mask on? Well, trying to stay safe doing social distancing. Alright, trying to stay safe. Now, I wanted to see if they matched the glasses, and also wanted to see if the glasses were loud enough to make the lights go on and off with the from the sound. See how if they're loud enough, they bleed. If the sound bleeds loud enough out to where it can activate the sound from the mask. And you can see when I talk, the mask lights up. So I want to see how loud these glasses actually go, if they actually loud enough to where people around you hear it. But I've had people say they hear me hear the music a little bit. I'm gonna see how sensitive, how loud it really is. So I'm gonna do a test. I got them linked to I got them synced up with my iPad, and let's see it. Put on some music. Let's see. Nope. It's not making it light up. And I got them at max volume. Let me go ahead and see. Okay, they're lighting up right there, but as you can see, so the sound is not going to be that loud. It's good. People will hear it if you got it on max volume like I got it now, but nobody's they won't be able to hear it around you. So that's a good thing. So, well, overall, I've been trying these out for now over a couple weeks, and I like them. I like them. So if you're in the market for some Bluetooth sunglasses, they're pretty cool. Only thing I wish they had more of a selection, because I'm looking at the website here, and I don't see a different. I don't see many. I don't see the kind where like I have another pair over here from a different company. I forget what company they're from, but these I like kind of like this style. They wrap around. You can have a little bit more coverage to block the sun from the corner of your eyes, which these don't have. So, but that's not a deal breaker. To me, they sound just as good as those Bose, the overpriced Bose sunglasses they have in the stores. Because I've tried those on in the stores and played with them, and I had these on, and they're about the same. Only difference is right here they have like some boom. It's like you can feel the vibration from this rubber stoppers right here, and when the bass, it kind of tickles the side of your hair, like bone conduction technology or something. But I don't think these are bone conducting glasses. So, like I said, let me look and see if it got more specs on here. Overall, like I said, I'm cool with them. But like I said, I wish they would bring out a little bit more style on them. Easy pairing. Like I say, you just press the buttons on here twice to turn them on and turn them off. And that's the up and down volume. That's the power button. And there's separate power buttons for each side of the frame. So you have 2 power buttons, and like inside the box, do I got the plug and stuff in here? No, I took everything out and I put it in here, I believe. Nope, I got the charging brick somewhere else because I had to charge it. Like I said, you have to charge both of them separate. So like I said, for a regular price is $99.99. But for the price they have them now, for $49.99, hey, you can't beat that. Let me double check. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box where you can get these sunglasses right here. Yeah. Well, wait a minute. The color I got now are on sale at the time of this video, $49.99. So, hey, that's better than paying full price, because they were at full price when I was getting ready to buy them the first time. Then I waited, and they dropped down in price, $49.99. So, yeah, like I say, summertime is coming. You want some sunglasses that are polarized, to protect you from the sun. Hey, I would highly recommend these Lucid Loud Bluetooth sunglasses. Yep, Lucid Loud. Like I said, sound pretty good, pretty clear. Easy to sync up to your cell phone or your tablet or what have you. What more can I say? Phone calls wasn't too bad, but I wouldn't really use these for phone calls. But as far as music wise, and you just want music to yourself and not everybody around you, hey, this is pretty decent. Good sound. You're not gonna get no rich basses you will get like from some earbuds or something like that. It's just gonna be a plain Jane sound, a decent sound. If you want to just have music to yourself. So if you're in the market for some Bluetooth sunglasses, check these Lucid Loud sunglasses out right here. The company called Lucid. Alright, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box down below where you can get them from. Like I said, I wanted to see if they match my mask as well when I'm practicing social distancing and all that good stuff, trying to be safe out here. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, this ain't gonna protect you from anything, just for play. But anyway, alright, that's been my little video on these Lucid Loud Bluetooth sunglasses, alright? And if you haven't already, like I always say, well, wait a minute, I'm getting ahead of myself. If you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright. And the message for the day is, be aware. Be aware. Be aware of your surroundings, you know what I'm saying? When you're out and about nowadays, what's going on, out in different places, just be vigilant and be aware. Be aware of what's going on around you, alright? That's the message for the day. Just something that popped up in my head. That's the message for the day. Just stay aware, stay vigilant, and be aware of your surroundings, alright? Stay safe, alright? This has been your boy Mark, Little Spoons and Bills. Drop the mic. And I'm out. Peace.